In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add an email field in Contact Form 7. You can see I've already created a contact form using the Contact Form 7 plugin. To make one, you can simply install and activate the Contact Form 7 plugin and make a contact form as per your need. I've already installed and activated the same. But if you need help installing and configuring the Contact Form 7 plugin, then we have a video explaining that as well. I'll link the video in the description, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of the screen to view the video. To add an email field, let's configure the plugin by hovering over Contact and clicking on Contact Forms. You can see this form here. Simply click on the edit link over here. This is the form builder area. Let's add a label name to the field first. Now, from various tags here, simply click on the email tag. In the pop-up, you can make this field mandatory by checking the required checkbox. Here, you can enter the default value as well and make it the placeholder text too. Once everything is in place, simply click on the Insert tag. Once done, let's save the form and check the form live. Let me refresh the page. You can see the email address field in action. This is how easy it is to add an email address field in Contact Form 7. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. Until next time.